Hello friends, welcome to Educa-Mentor. Today we are discussing about 200 plus MCQs of fundamental duties under the part of polity. The multiple choice questions of MCQs on understanding of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. Okay, the first question is, which part of the Indian Constitution includes the fundamental duties? This correct answer is 4A. Part 4A is the part 4A is the fundamental duties is includes. Okay. Next question is, in which year were the fundamental duties added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act? The correct answer is B. 1976. Next question is, how many fundamental duties were originally included in the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976? Is the first correct answer is B. 10. 10 is the original in the original Constitution. The only 10 fundamental duties are includes. Next question is, which amendment added an additional fundamental duty to the Indian Constitution in 2002? The which amendment? Okay, is the correct answer is 86th Amendment Act. 86th Amendment Act is added in 86th Amendment Act is in 2002 added additional fundamental duty in the Indian Constitution. Next question is, the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution are inspired by the Constitution of which country? This correct answer is C. USSR. Which committee recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Swaran Singh Committee. The Ambedkar Committee, which is related with Constitution Drafting Committee, Ambedkar Committee is also known as Drafting Committee or Constitution related with Constitution. Sarkaria Commission is related with center and state relation. Center or state relation. Okay. Relation. Next question is, which constitution is only democratic constitution that includes a list of duties of citizens besides the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Constitution of Japan. Next question is, fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution are Next question is, the fundamental duties in Indian Constitution are, correct answer is B, not non-justiciable. Okay, fundamental duties are non-justiciable, and also DPSP is non-justiciable. Okay, but fundamental rights are justiciable. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is a civic duty as part the fundamental duties? A discussing about cherishing the noble ideals of freedom struggle, respecting the Constitution, national flag and the national anthem, C. Promoting harmony and spirit of common brotherhood. D. Developing scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. The correct answer is B. Okay. The next question is, which of the following is not a feature of fundamental duties? Not a feature, not a features or feature of fundamental duties. The A saying about they are moral and civic duties. We are also know that the moral and civic duties is a features of fundamental duties. B saying they are enforceable by law. C is they apply to foreigners. They are not justiciable. The correct answer is B. They are enforced by law. They are enforced by law. Okay. Next question is, which duty was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act in 2002? A saying to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. B saying to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. C saying to safeguard public property and adjure violence. D saying to provide opportunity for education to each child or ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. The correct answer is D. Next question, the duty to value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture is classified under which category of duties? A saying the moral duties, B saying civic duties, and C saying both moral and civic duties, and D saying neither moral nor civic duties. The correct answer is both moral and civic duties. Value of preserve and rich heritage of the country composite culture. Okay, this is both moral and civic duties. Question number 14. Which of the following fundamental duties is specifically aimed at environmental protection? Which of the following fundamental duties is specifically aimed at environmental protection? A saying to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and the integrity of India. To protect, B saying to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and have compassion for living creatures. C saying to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood. D saying to safeguard public property and adjure violence. The correct answer is B. To protect and improve natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife. Okay. Next question is, fundamental duties were included in the Indian Constitution to serve several purposes. Fundamental duties were included in the Indian Constitution to serve several purposes. Which of the following is not one of those purposes? Question is saying about not one of those purposes. A saying reminding citizens of their responsibility. B saying providing legal sanctions against violations. C saying serving as a warning against anti-national activities. D saying inspiring a sense of discipline and commitment. The correct answer is B. Providing legal sanction against violation is not one of purpose. ठीक है. fundamental duties is they include the Indian Constitution several purpose, which is not purpose. That is not a purpose. Okay. Next question is, which of the following duties emphasizes the promotion of a spirit of common brotherhood among the people of India? A saying to abide by the constitution and respect its ideals and institutions. B saying to cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. C saying to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending relations, religious, linguistic, and regional and sectional diversity. D saying defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. The correct answer is C. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional and sectional diversities. Okay. The question about saying about which of the following duties emphasizes the promotion of spirit of common brotherhood among the people of India. That is religious, linguistic, and regional sectional diversity. The correct answer is C. Next question is, the duty to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity aims to achieve what outcomes? Option number 1 saying about promoting national security. B saying about enhancing cultural heritage. C saying about rising to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. D saying about protecting the environment. The correct answer is C, rising to higher level of endeavor and achievement. Next question, which of the following is not a reason for including fundamental duties in the Constitution? Not a reason. Question option number 1, enhancing the dignity of citizens. B, providing a balance between rights and duties. C, giving citizens legal immunity in certain cases. D, assisting courts in determining the constitutional validity of law. Correct answer is C. Correct answer is C, giving citizens legal immunity of certain cases. And not a reason for including fundamental duties, not a reason. Okay. Next question is, which of the following statements is true regarding the fundamental duties? Which is the statement is true regarding the fundamental duties? A saying they are legally enforceable by the courts. They are only applicable to foreigners. C saying about Parliament can provide for imposition of appropriate penalties for their violation. D saying about they were recommended by the Sarkaria Commission. Which of the following statement is true regarding the fundamental duties? Correct answer is C. Okay, correct answer is C. Parliament can provide for imposition of appropriate penalties for their violation. Okay. Next question is, the inclusion of fundamental duties was primarily to address what aspect of citizens' behavior? What aspect of citizen behavior? A saying about ensuring economic development. B, preventing social and national decay. C, promoting political stability. D. Encouraging technological advancement. Correct answer is B. Preventing social and national decay. Okay, the inclusion of fundamental duties was primarily to address what aspect of citizen behavior. The citizen aspect of citizen behavior is preventing social and national decay. Next question is, which of the following duties emphasizes the development of scientific temper among citizens? Which of the following duties emphasizes the development of scientific temper among citizens? A saying to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and the integrity of India. B saying to cherish and following noble ideals and inspired by the national struggle for freedom. C saying to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. D saying provide opportunities for education to his child or ward between age and 6 or 14 years. The correct answer is C. To develop scientific temper. Correct answer is C. To develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Okay. Next question is, the duty to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions. The national flag and the national anthem falls under which type of duty? Okay, which type of duty? Which duties saying about the ideals, respect of the Constitution and respect of ideal and the institutions, the national flag, the national anthem, under which type of duty? A saying civil duty, B saying moral duty, C saying both civil and moral duties, and D none of the above. The correct answer is both civic and moral duties. Okay, civic and moral duties. The Constitution and the respect of ideals and the institutions and the national flag, anthem and the national anthem are which type of? Both civic and moral duties. Okay. Next question is, which fundamental duty aims to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst the people of India? A saying to value, preserve the rich heritage of the country, composite culture, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst the people, amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, regional and sectional diversity. C saying to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. D saying to safeguard public property and to observe violence. The correct answer is C. Okay, the correct answer is C. Next question. What is the primary significance of fundamental duties? What is the primary significance? What is the primary significance of fundamental duties as per the Indian Constitution? The A saying about to provide enforceable right to citizens. B saying about ensure a balance between fundamental rights and duties. C to promote international relations. D establish a framework for state governance. The correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. To ensure a balance between fundamental rights and duties. The primary significance of fundamental duties. Next question is, which of the following statement regarding the enforceable of fundamental duties is correct? Regarding the enforceability of fundamental duties. A saying about fundamental duties are directly enforceable by the courts. The parliament can legislate to enforce fundamental duties. They are enforceable through presidential order. They are not enforceable under any circumstances. The correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. The parliament can legislate. Parliament can make law about the fundamental duties to enforce fundamental duties. Legislate to enforce fundamental duties. The next question is, which has authority to edit new fundamental duties of the Indian Constitution? The A saying about the President of India, who has the authority. Okay, the Parliament of India, the Supreme Court of India, and the Prime Minister of India. The question is the Parliament of India. The question's answer is the Parliament of India. The Parliament of India can make law about added in new fundamental duties in the Constitution. Okay. Next question is the duty to defend the country. The duty to defend the country and render national service, which call upon to do so. Highlight which aspect of citizenship. Highlight the which aspect of citizenship. A saying about civil responsibility, B moral obligation, C legal obligation, D none of the above. The correct answer is civic responsibility. A civic responsibility. The correct answer is civic responsibility. Okay, 27. Question number 27. Question number 28. Which of the following, which fundamental duty focuses on recommending practices derogatory, deregulatory, and dignity of women? To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. B saying about to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. C saying about to promote harmony and a spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversity, and to renounce practices derogatory and dignity of women. D saying about to protect, improve the national environment, including forest, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and have compassion for living creatures. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example of moral duty as part of fundamental duties? Example of moral duty, the part of fundamental duties. A saying about to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and the integrity of India, to cherish the follow and the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for India, national struggle for freedom, to safeguard public property and to adjure violence. D saying about to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspire the national struggle for freedom. The last question of today's session, the fundamental duty to safeguard public property and to adjure serves what purpose? A. Promoting scientific temper. B. Ensuring national security. C. Protecting public infrastructure and maintaining peace. D. Upholding the rich heritage of the country. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Protecting public infrastructure and maintaining peace. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Thank you and good luck to all of you.